it going, GITV? My name is Tim. Today we are here to revisit the KWA LM4 PTR. This gun has spent many years in research and development, and KWA's motto happens to be engineered to outperform. So we're going to put that motto to the test and see how well they developed the LM4 PTR by comparing it with some of the other gas blowback rifles on the market. And we're going to start with a very quick and easy chrono and accuracy test.
Blow the competition out of the water.
He's down.
Alrighty, so it looks like our KWA LM4 PTR shoots right around 340 to 350 FPS with 0.25 gram BBs, which is right where it's supposed to shoot according to KWA. The next test that we're going to perform is a sideways firing test. Now the reason why this test is important, because gas guns normally have a problem firing sideways and upside down because of the propellant is in a liquid state when it's in the magazine. However, when it's expelled out through the barrel to propel the BB, it's in a gaseous state. So liquid is much more dense than gas, so when you fire the gun sideways or upside down, liquid gas is used to propel the BB, liquid gas. Liquid propellant is used to propel the BB as opposed to gas propellant, making the gun far less gas efficient. KWA have apparently fixed this problem so you can fire the gun sideways, so we're going to put that to the test. Alright, so it looks like we saw some pretty typical results out of the King Arms gas blowback rifle. It blew its load of gas before even it expelled all of its BBs by firing it sideways. However, the LM4 PTR was able to expend all of the BBs in the magazine and still have plenty of gas left over to perhaps fire another load of BBs. So good job, KWA. But what about the cooldown effect that plagues almost every gas blowback rifle, right? Actually, every gas gun out there. The cooldown effect, for those of you that aren't familiar, we're going to have to go back to high school chemistry. Boyle's law. As gas expands, it cools. So quite naturally, as you're firing your gun, gas is leaving the magazine, cooling the magazine down. Now the only problem with that is with colder gas, your FPS is going to drop significantly, and because there's less pressure in your gun, it probably will not operate the same way. Now, the cooldown effect is not a huge problem for us here in California, but what about our fans out east or up north? It's going to be amplified in colder climates. So what we're going to do to simulate that is something that we like to call the ice test.
Look at that. Yeah, still functioning, even when frozen.
Wow, some very surprising results out of our ice cup test. The magazine actually got so cold while firing, it froze some of the water onto the sides of it. However, it didn't even affect the performance one bit. The bolt still locked back on the last shot. Not only that, Bob was able to fire more rounds out of it after closing the bolt. Now, obviously, the BBs weren't in the magazine, but it just goes to show how gas efficient and how well engineered this magazine is. We were going to do one more test with the gun to emulate the Daniel Defense stress test by dropping this out of a truck and running it over with another car, but I couldn't bring myself to do that because this gun is just so pretty. So we're gonna have to put that one on the back burner for now. That's gonna do it for the KWA LM4 PTR. Be sure to check this thing out on Airsoft GI. This thing is a cut above the rest of the gas blowback guns on the market. My name is Tim. Thanks for watching.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, so it looks like we saw some pretty typical results out of the King Arms gas blowback rifle. It blew its load of gas before all the BBs were gone by firing it sideways. However, the
I'm sorry, dude. I tried so hard not to laugh. I just can't.
I tried not to look at you, but your face was like...
I was like,